malapit siya sa San Fernando.
Hi guys! Good morning! Samahan niyo ako ngayon for a quick tour sa Studio Moda Unit dito sa Azure North, San Fernando, Pampanga. So ayan, for the elevator ang first, may paki-card pa talaga siya. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa unit. Tara, samahan niyo ako, pasok tayo. So pagpasok mo sa unit, syempre may modern toilet and bath with shower, sink, and enough space for your essentials. Simple, functional, and easy to maintain. Dito naman tayo sa kitchenette. So, meron na tayo ditong built-in cabinet. So, upon turnover, kasama na to sa deliverables. Ayan, nai-imagine nyo na ba kung paano nyo i-design yung unit nyo? So, dito mapapansin mo agad how efficient and well-designed the layout is. Even if it is a studio, maximize ang space. Walang sayang na area. Ayan, meron ng overhead cabinet. Merong counter space and provision for stove and fridge. It is perfect for quick meals and even cooking your comfort food after a long day. Dito naman sa part na to, ayan, pwede ka maglagay ng mirror. And from here, kasyang-kasya ang bed, work from home corner, at mini living space. So open layout siya, so maaliwalas and flexible ang setup. And for the ceiling naman, pwede yun rin gawin ganyan. Kita nyo naman kung gaano ka-comfy, stylish at practical ang magiging future condo nyo. Itong studio unit na to, perfect for those who want a modern space that is compact, functional and stylish, whether starter home or investment. And now, punta naman tayo sa balcony. Syempre, one of the highlights ng Azure North, ang resort-inspired lifestyle. Imagine living just a step away from man-made beach, the wave pool. Kung gusto mo ring mag-gym, meron sa clubhouse. Kung bet mo naman magkape, merong bagong cafe sa loob ng clubhouse. So, kung gusto nyo ng modern, convenient, at relaxing na home or investment, this model unit is just a glimpse of what Azure North can offer. So, that's all for today. See you next time. Bye!